What is artificial intelligence? What is AI basically? AI, in simplest word, is that a computer doing something that really needs human thinking. AI is very good at recognizing your face, understanding a sentence, or making a prediction. Very good at that. Now, what was happening? Everything humans were doing. Now AI is looking into that. AI can help you to the pattern study. The simplest form of AI you can use. Everyone, pick up your phone right now. Okay. You have, most of you have, like this, my phone is close. Okay. If I put it to your face, maybe Chandrakant, it will not open. Now I am opening to my, it opened it. There's a pattern. That is AI. Let's not make it complex, Nasir. Okay. It's AI. Then if you go to photos option, like I really liked it yesterday, I was looking into it. In the photos option, especially, it has classified it. Like when we went to our trip, I my food, I went to Dubai, the food pictures, it has categorized it for me. This is AI. Simplest way. Don't make it complex. It is a pattern thing. It predict what you mean. It try to finish your sentence. It look at your picture, analyze it. Technology ke brain. I like it what you said. Now, Apple introduced last year, it can translate the language. With AirPods, as the things are coming, if you are talking to someone in Arabic, someone is talking in Arabic, you are understanding that language. That's AI. All of you, when you do transaction from banks, you get a fraudulent alert. That is AI. Something out of the way. Simplest thing. Everybody, open your YouTube. The simplest of that we can do right now. I told you this class, I'm gonna go very slow, Zishan. Akil, good to see so many students, even those who did in 2019 PMP. So many faces, so beautiful. Why don't you trend pictures, everyone? Like, let me take a beautiful pictures for all of you. Okay, Anubhav, Anubhav, I said come to from laptop. Atif, doing party, smile. Rashdan, good to see you. I'm sure you are using AI in your organization as editing.
Yeah, we're using a lot. Our company already laid off 20% of the people. So
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
I'm in
That's okay.
Turkey if I so
Yes,
I'm
that's
joining you
okay.
from Turkey.
Thank you for everybody for joining. Okay,
Yeah.
so putting back into the context, mhm, everybody, I am taking you from the basic. So if you are at advanced, like Atif said, then Rashdan would say, and many of you, like 20% people said that we are already using it. So the simplest, I would look into that. You go to YouTube, everybody has its own. Now YouTube give me recommendation on what I ask. I follow a lot Grant Cardone. I follow a lot. They are my coach. Okay, so it is giving me recommendation on basis of mine. I watch cartoons, of course. It is giving me a recommendation on mine. If you look into that, it will show you your recommendation. Is that so? Or are you also looking into that? Simplest. This is the AI. Do not consider it something, I don't know what it is. You are already using it. You just did not name it. Right? Now, how AI learn? How does your kid learn? You show your kid, this is a cat, this is a dog. This is a cat, this is a dog. This is a cat, this is a dog. It automatically learns through repetition. Okay, this is a cat, this is a dog. Similar way, your AI. Pattern recognition, pattern recognition. That is the simplest way into it. Okay, that's how basically AI work. My goal here is that first you understand it, then we'll see how we use it. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so now everyone is clear about AI, what AI is, right? There should be no confusion about it. If anyone has, please do ask. I'm here for you. Now, so one of the beautiful part of the AI and why it is working is because of pattern. Humans need pattern predictions. Our entire project management, risk analysis, stakeholder, all is a pattern prediction, right? So this now AI is doing that. AI is very fast at pattern spotter. You show it, these are the cat, these are the dogs, identify the pattern. Okay, this is the cat, this is dog. Okay. Now it does not understand like a human, but it does identify pattern more quickly than human. Okay. Here comes a very big important thing. Your AI is as good as data you give it into it. I am not gonna go extreme into that, but the data that you give to AI, it will work according to that. If you give it bad data, it will give you bad results. So before you start doing anything for AI, the first thing is to clean your data. The data, what is data in simplest word? Input. Okay. So if I explain you PMI language, input, tools and technique, output. The input you give, AI will apply its tools and technique and give you out. It all comes down to how good your input is. We will learn prompt engineering, how to do the prompt. That is the most important thing. Those people who are playing with AI, most of the time we waste because we give the prompt bad way. It gives us the bad result, right? For example, if I daily eat pizza, which I used to do, not eating now on a diet. If I eat pizza, KFC, and Coke, will I get slim or fat? What will be my condition after a few days? Will I get slim or fat? Fat. I'm happy no one said, sir, you are fat right now. But yeah. If I eat opposite Zaka, I eat green foods, things like that. Ah, the big fat. Okay. I will get slim. Similarly, the AI is in the same way. Nothing much difference here. Okay. So we need to predict the patterns, how the patterns are working. Now, what is machine learning? You will learn this word, you will listen this word in a big way. Many people try to make it as a buzzword. Machine learning, machine learning is basically, instead of being told the rules, slim but unhappy, instead of being told the rules, the machine learns from data. Okay, you feed the data and it learn from your data. So let's say, because this is important, machine learning is a way of teaching a computer to learn pattern from data instead of programming every rule. So what was happening before? If X happens, do Y. Okay, that is traditional programming. Machine learning is that here are 10,000 example, figure out the pattern. Okay, figure out the pattern into it. Okay, so imagine, I'll go a little bit more in the on this slide. Imagine you have 500 projects you have completed. For each project, Sami Saab, you know budget, the time, the team size, duration it took to complete, how many change requests, final outcome. Now you take that data, you put it in AI. Now this is machine learning. You input the data. Now it will immediately give you when these circumstances happen, right? Let's say projects with 20 change requests and less than 80% resource availability, right? Have chance of delay or chance of success. You can do that. This, you put the input like your past lesson learned register and it predict you. Clear? Let me make it more easy for you. You don't teach, like I have a daughter of 7 year and son of 6. I never taught them the, if you see a cat, cat should have this much long ear, this length. No, 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 no. I showed cat, 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 dog, cat, dog. Now they, after hundreds of example, they can use into it. Okay. This is clear to everybody now. Machine learning is clear. Okay. Now, there are three types of like machine learning, I could say. One is supervised learning, unsupervised reinforcement. So what I just explained, that is classical example of supervised learning. Okay. I say this, now work into that. I am giving the entire input, I am checking it, I am correcting it. Unsupervised is that I go to the AI. Yes, yes. Of course, machine learning is a like this is AI, let's say AI, machine learning is a part of that. Umar, let's say in what is unsupervised learning is that I am not sure how the results will look like. In the project management language, you sit in a circle, like there are 12 team members, they come, they do brainstorming, ideas are generated. Once ideas are generated, we don't know how the ideas are, we put it aside, then AI clutter it, specify it, okay, these categories can be. Unsupervised learning, it identify what ways can be. Unsupervised learning can be very helpful when you are starting a project. Give it to AI, ask it what can be the potential risk will be there. It can identify it, you categorize it, and work into that. And of course, learning by trial. It does something, you give something. It does something, give something. So it's a AI is agile. AI is entirely agile, is based on AI because you don't know what you will get. You identify new things. AI is actually agile. We will learn how we work into that, like exactly how AI is used in agile, how AI is used in predictive. We'll go to the case studies at the end of the session, like the fourth part